Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draft a player in Fantasy Football app. So let's get started. After opening the app and joining the league, you're gonna draft, and after drafting, it's gonna show you the draft starts at a certain time. And basically, you're gonna pick the player that you want. And if you want some specific role, you can basically press on here and see the role that you want. For example, we wanted this player, we're just gonna press on Q right here. And in here it's going to show you the queues that you've made. Currently we just have made one, and the next queue will be after this draft ends. And after making the first queue, you can go ahead and queue another player if you want, and basically you can queue as many player as you want until the draft ends. And after all that, you'll be ready to go with the league. And as we said, in here you're going to see the draft that you've made and the queue player that you have right there. And in here you're gonna see the board, and right there it's the roster and as well. So you'll be waiting for other players to make the draft for themselves. So yeah, that was the video for today. Pretty simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.